Chef Ricardo cooking show is amazing to be in the kitchen, giving you favorite recipe ideas, tips, and also to make healthy drinks at home. Anyway, this one is just a quick one, you know what I mean? It's a lovely drink which you can make at home with some avocado bits and pieces in it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and also visit my blog website chefricardocooking.com and stay tuned, share the like, share the video, and also tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Next, I want to say follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and the Google Plus page. We are there for you. Thank you so much. Lovely and nice. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Today we want to make you one healthy drink, which gonna be amazing smoothie drink today. First of all, I'm gonna put 1 handful of spinach inside of my Ninja blender right here. You see? Straight inside of it. 1 handful of it, fresh and nice. Next thing, I have some coriander. This is some fresh coriander, as you can see. Very easy to blend. You can just pop that inside of it like that. This is some fresh mint, which we're going to just break off the leaf them like this and put it in it like that. Simple. Move this little piece right here and put it straight inside of it. Ripe banana is a must because it's good for you. Help to boost up your immune system. Break it off just like this and put it in it like that. Lovely and nice. Then next thing we're going to squeeze a little bit of lemon juice in it like this, just to get the seed, not to get the seed in it. Nice one. You don't need too much, just a little pinch of the lemon juice in it. Celery is a must. Celery, good for you. And celery have a lot of benefits also. Straight inside of it. Nice and lovely, as you can see. Avocado, really good for you. If you doesn't like avocado, you don't need to put in it, but if you like avocado, you can put it in it. And as you can see, that's beautiful and nice. All right, be careful if you're gonna cut the avocado, put it on the board and draw some circle in it like this, like some squares. It's good to use like table knife, then use a teaspoon and scrape it out like this. Get the avocado in it. Nice one. You don't have to put honey, but just a little pinch. I'm just gonna just put inside of it just to bring a little flavor to it. Just a little pinch of honey. Then a little bit of water, roughly about 1/4 glass of water, then cover. Blend this about 5 minutes, all right? Nice. So I just finished blend it. Let's take a good look at this. Rich and nice. Beautiful. As you can see, this is a healthy smoothie which you can have in the morning for your breakfast and also for your lunch and also in the evening with a salad recipe for dinner. Balance your diet with a nice lovely drink like this. As you can see, really healthy smoothie and really good for you. So guys, just hopefully you just enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments below. It's very important with the comments, and as I said, like, share and subscribe, and hopefully we can come with more better recipe in the future. See you next time. Bye bye. Chef Ricardo juice bar. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipe. Today we want to make you a simple one, guys, which can be really healthy at home. We're gonna put 1 handful of spinach inside of the Ninja blender, as you can see. Then next thing, we're going to put some fresh mint. All you need to do is just break off the leaf of the mint, just like this, and also pop it straight inside of it like that. Lovely and nice. Then apple. I'm gonna use 1 red apple. Piece of fresh ginger. Gonna make you a healthy smoothie. You can see pineapple, fresh pineapple. Give it a lovely flavor and a lovely taste. Iceberg lettuce is a must. Break it up, stuff it straight on it. Then cut it up if you like to, and just break it up and just stuff it down inside of it like that. Lemon juice, just squeeze some lemon juice in it. This one is really healthy. You can have this one for your breakfast in the morning. Water. Half glass of water. Half teaspoon of honey. Cover your Smoothie Ninja blender. I don't know what you've been using. Really tight. And blend this about 4 to 5 seconds. Lovely and nice. As I said, just finished blending, and this is from the Chef Ricardo juice bar. Be a smoothie. So pour straight inside of a glass, and you can have this right straight through the day. And the beauty is you got some fresh mint in it, and also all of them is just natural ingredients. So guys, hopefully you just enjoy this one and subscribe my YouTube channel. We got a lot more ideas, recipe and tips coming out for you. This is from the juice bar, and as I say, healthy juice is the best way and the best option. All right, see you next time. Bye bye.